state. I am a ward of the state. I just emancipated April 26, 2012. Lost my health insurance, lost dental insurance, lost vision insurance. All my insurance is gone. I have to pay for everything now. The
You
state.
parents plan?
No, my parents, I have no parents. A ward of the state, DCFS, took me away from my home in '98. They then adopted me into a house that left with abusive parents in 2004, left me in the state of Illinois to escape child abuse and neglect laws, then continued to keep me in care to the age of 21. It's not fair for the wards of the state. It's not fair for the other uninsured, you know, and with him saying no, it's basically slapping all the wards in the state that don't have insurance that could be covered by Obama's plan until the age of 26 because it gives more help towards states.
You don't think there could be a better plan that doesn't add to the national deficit like it already is?
Well, apparently he wants to add to the national deficit anyways, so why not help out? Well, he hasn't done anything for his constituents in the last 20 years, so.
We can do, really, okay, that's interesting.